Last week on Spoondrifters, we did some chores around the house and around the boat, doing miscellaneous fiberglass projects, you know, more of that stuff, and talked about what's taking so long.
We're a family of 6 who sold our house, bought a boat, and now we're getting ready to sail around the world. Welcome to our channel.
Can't see a thing.
So this morning we are headed to the boatyard. We have some friends that are going back in the water and over to their marina that have asked if we can help them. So we're up bright and early, but it's not bright. It might be early.
We have a dead battery. We charged it last night.
All right, you know where we're headed now?
9.1 nautical miles.
Can you wait till it's our boat?
No, I can't wait till it's our boat.
ETA 1 hour and 17 minutes.
Need a hand?
Another day. More fiberglass work. Yeah, it's kind of the theme of our days lately. We're working on this one, and one on the other side, and one up there. How many pairs of gloves does it take to epoxy the bottom of a boat? I think we've been through 3 of these. What did we just finish?
We got all of the through holes done on the outside too. Isn't that cool?
Whoop. Let's see, we'll do a walk around. That one's done. These 3 are finished. That one's done. And that one's done. Oh my goodness, I am so excited that we are done with this part of the bottom of the boat. Obviously we still have to sand it and probably do a little bit of fairing, but we are thrilled.
Party tablecloths at Walmart. Cut them in half, lay them on your table. When you're done, wand it all up into a ball and throw it away. Yay! I've lost my wife again.
We spend more time where than we do at West Marine.
Lowe's or Walmart.
Wait for me, dear. What are we here for?
Duct tape and dust masks. This is what I bought right here. Yeah, I guess there was only 10 in the box. 10 of them. $20.98. So they're $2 a piece.
Which one?
Part of me wants to go back to my primal.
Well,
My budget side says, just get the cheap regular old duct tape.
we could be frogs and get frog tape. We done?
We are done. We are done. So when you return stuff and you don't have the receipt, they make you do it on a store credit. Last night when I went to Home Depot, I had 3 of these store credit cards.
Okay. We are done for the day, I think. Are we done?
I'm done. I'm going to go home. I'm going to shower. I'm going to sit in my bed and watch sailing YouTube videos. Starting with Spoondrifters, I hear they're really cool.
There's a black panther on the Mommy, there's a black panther at the dog park.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm not serious.
You're not serious?
You should even ask Ella's mom. And it sleeps at morning and it goes hunt at night.
Supposedly there's a black panther loose in the dog park over there.
Even ask Ella.
Good morning. So Todd is working today. He picked up a job, which is super exciting. We always need cash for this project. So I'm tackling the boat this week, the bottom of the boat. We've played with a lot of different things, and we finally decided yesterday that we're going to take it down, take all the ablative off, and re-prime it. We feel like, okay, Todd feels like I will never be 100% sure we did the right thing unless we just take it off and put primer back on it. So my job today and the next couple of days, get this done. This is going to take forever. Okay, I'll show you what I've got done. Both sides of the rudder and that. 3 hours. It's lunchtime. I didn't get here till after 9, so it's 12:30. Gonna take a break, go get some water, maybe some food. I'm a little lightheaded. I'm done with day 1. I'm sore. I think I need a hot shower, some ibuprofen, and some deep heating rub. But let's see what I got done. The weather's a little iffy today, but I'm gonna go with it because the wind should blow the dust away from me, which will be nice.
Playing family.
What are you doing?
Playing family.
Playing what?
Family.
Are you the baby?
No. She's my child.
Your child? Are you the mom?
Yes.
Driving her to school?
No, to Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, you're a good mom. Are you doing donuts? Why are you turning the steering wheel so much? Hello?
Hello.
Are you gonna come help?
Look like you have a beard.
Okay, it's day 3 doing the bottom. I have just this little stripe left. And here's the thing. I've left the hardest part to last, and I am the most tired. I should have done the hardest part the first day. The other thing that's going on is the family's here today, and so as long as I don't get interrupted and I just keep going and I am binge listening to podcasts, I get a lot more done than every time I'm interrupted. It's so hard to start again, like crazy hard.
What are you trying to ask her?
What?
We have lunch.
Lunch? What time is it?
Not time for lunch.
No. Gotta wait.
I want one.
Oh, here's another one. Liberty, what?
They put me on purpose.
Oh.
Hey guys, so it's me, Abigail. We're playing Annoying without Gabe. So, Katie, let's go without Gabe.
What are we doing?
Leaving without Gabe.
Yes.
So what can we have the kids do?
Well, I think the boat is mostly clean.
I know, Katie, it's look clean to you.
Well, I had them pick up outside already, and we had them vacuum. They want to go swimming this afternoon.
Are you going to cut them loose?
Might cut them loose. I'm not sure that we need
Cut them loose like an anchor that's stuck in a bad storm?
Katie, did you hear what I said? Katie, did you hear what I said? Katie!
No.
I said bunny rabbits, but yelling, bunny rabbits!
Oh, we need to take.
Hello! Ready? We're gonna sing. Ready? Ready? Go.
I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored, we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Never mind is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. That's all we're gonna sing with that song, because that song is like 5 minutes long. Gonna make up a song.
Homa, homa, homa.
We're just
What's up, Bo?
Yes. Go see what Tammy's up to here. Woohoo! 8x8 section left. All right, dear. Take the blue suit off and flex those biceps for us so we
Right?
can check them out.
Oh my word! All right. Now I need a shower.
Woohoo! Shower.
Join us next week where we start tackling the top side of the boat. Todd and I take the dinghy out and there's a little drama. And most of all, we get the prop strut mounted. If you like our channel, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Maybe even consider buying us an ice cream.